Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we'll help you troubleshoot a chainsaw that just won't start, and we'll show you the main problems that can cause this. For each problem, we'll provide a link in the description to a full repair video so you can get your chainsaw back in working order. Let's get started. Problem number 1, carburetor. If you've left fuel in the chainsaw over the winter, your carburetor could be clogged and need to be cleaned. Giving it a thorough clean with carburetor cleaner should help get it started. Problem number 2, clogged air filter. This will limit the air getting into your chainsaw's motor and prevent it from starting at all. Remove the air filter to either clean it out or replace it with a new one. While you're at it, clean the area around the filter as well to slow down future clogs. Problem number 3, no fuel or old fuel in the tank. If you haven't already, make sure to check your chainsaw has fuel in the tank. If it doesn't, well, obviously it's not going to want to start. Be sure to fill it up and you should be good to get to work. If there's fuel in the tank, make sure it's not old or bad. If you suspect it is, empty the fuel out of your chainsaw and put new fuel in. Problem number 4, clogged fuel filter. Just like the air filter, the fuel filter can get clogged and not give the chainsaw's motor the juice it needs to start up. Access the filter and inspect it. If you notice any debris stuck to the filter, clean it off and put it back in the tank. Problem number 5, defective or dirty spark plug. If the spark plug won't or can't spark, your chainsaw won't start up. Remove the spark plug and inspect it for a cracked insulator, burnt electrode, or heavy carbon buildup. If your spark plug hasn't been replaced in a few years, it's not a bad idea to swap it out with a new one to keep your chainsaw running well. Problem number 6, recoil starter. You'll want to remove and inspect the starter and starter pulley and clean out the housing. If you suspect the spring is the issue, you may want to inspect it as well. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out our full repair videos in the description below, and if you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.